Today I will show you how to use stone and waterfall brushes. I will put the background first. Start to sketch the cliff and stones. Next, I will put the colors on the cliffs and the stones. And then I will use stone brushes. Choose the lighter or darker colors for the stone. Here we go, the details start to show. Then I will paint the other stones and then put the tree on the left and the right of the skin, and then put the waterfalls. It's the birches, so it's easy. You can just find the position for it. And next I will double layer the waterfall and make it look like a lot of water. And then add the shrubs above the cliff. Add more waterfall, smaller size. Then I will add moss at the front cliffs. Okay, after that I will put the clouds on the sky. Okay, then I will add splash and turbulence around waterfalls. And then I will add leaves on the trees. Next, I will add trees above the cliff to make it like forest. And then you can see all the blood set that I used under this video. It's done.